and welcome back. Today I'm doing an Ipsy unbagging. It is for my April 2022 bag. If you're unaware, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. It is $12 US a month plus $5 to send to Canada, something like that. I'm not sure. That's in American funds. It works out to around $20 a month in Canadian dollars for me to get it. You get 5 items in your bag. They are usually sample size. Sometimes they can be full size as well. And at the second of the month, or no, at some point before your next bag comes out, you get to choose one item from it. They have different tiers. Unfortunately, the only one available in Canada right now is the regular glam bag. But yeah, so you can pick one item that's going to be in your regular bag, and then on the second of every month, they have add-ons, and they can range from $3.50 and up. I think they go up to like $25, maybe $40. I'm not sure. Anyways, so this is my April glam bag that I did get. It's a really cute bag. It has this little daisy on the zipper, and I had to laugh because I got it and I put it on my vanity here, and then I came up into my room to do something, and I'm like, why do I have a pad sitting on my vanity, like a maxi pad? Why is that there? I got one as reference, so kind of similar. Sometimes these have flowers and stuff on them. Anyway, you know what a maxi pad looks like. But it was sitting on my vanity, and I thought it was a pad. It's not. I mean, it is pretty, but it is kind of pad-esque in its design. Okay, so yes, I received this bag a couple of days ago, so I have used everything in it. Well, I have used a bunch of the things in it a couple of times already. So let me show you what I got. I do prefer a bag that is more makeup heavy, and I'd say all around they did a good job on that end of things. So I'm just going to pull things out randomly. The first thing I have here is by Symbiosis London, and it's the Instant Perfecting Primer. And I have used this several times. I'm not sure if this is actually doing anything, and now looking up to the light, it's only like this full, and I've used it twice, so it was probably only this full to begin with. But that's what this looks like. It feels nice on the skin. It seems to wear nicely. It's not pilling up or making my makeup pill up on top of it or anything like that. It's a nice sample to have, something to try, something that I got. The next item that I have is from Mark Anthony, and it is the Strictly Curls Curl Envy Leave-In Conditioner. This is a pretty generous size. I haven't used it yet. I have used this line before. It's nice. I don't mind it, so I don't mind getting stuff like this in my bag because I have curls in my hair, so this will work. Next up is something that I actually already have a full size of, and it's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This is just a sample. This is what it looks like. This is a very teeny tiny sample. I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to put it in like something to give away to people. And then the last 2 items I got in my bag are makeup items. So I got the V Cosmetic blush, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. I'm wearing it on my cheeks today. It's very pretty. I like it. It has a lot of shimmer to it. It almost looks like a highlighter, but it is not. It has a sheen to it, but it has that really pale kind of peachy pink color to it. And then from MOTD, Makeup of the Day, I got this highlighting powder in Something Magical. And it's just like a regular champagne looking highlighter. And you're not going to probably see it that well. Got a little bit of sheen going on with that. I have it on my cheeks again today. Again. Yes, again. I wore it before. I have it on my cheeks today. So all in all, I really like everything that I got in the bag. I got a skincare item, which I wouldn't have mind trying if I haven't tried it already, but I have the full size of this, so I don't mind getting this. And then a hair product. I don't mind getting one hair product in my bag every month. And then the rest was makeup. So I really do like this bag. I think they did a good job this month. And other than the bag looking like a maxi pad, I like the little zipper pull. Now I did get 4 add-ons along with this order. I got a brush. Well, I got 2 brushes because if I see brushes and I like the shape of them, I get them. So this is from Lovecraft Beauty, and this is their #1 brush. I haven't used it yet, but it's just kind of pinched here I think it'll be nice for my under eyes. I apologize because I'm not looking at my camera. I'm looking here because I'm filming on my phone. It's a little different for me. Will get better. But yeah, under the eyes, maybe as a contour. I was thinking blush, but I'm like, this might be too big. But this might be nice for something like this, because the pans are so small, so this can get in it a little bit easier. So that's something I might use it for as well. So I did get this. I believe this one was $3.50. I don't think I spend any more than $3.50 on the brushes. I did get this Farrah brush. It's their pressed powder 620F. I've used it already. I have one of these already and I like it. It's a similar kind of shape to this one where it's pinched, but this one's just a slightly fluffier. So I guess I could use this for powder too. This one just feels a little fluffier. And then I was really impressed with this. This also was $3.50. It's from the brand Araceli, and it's the Ojos Perfectos Gel Eyeliner, Pencil Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Gold. I have it on my waterline today, and I put this on my hand the other day just to swatch it. That's what it looks like. And this thing did not come off. I even took some of my cleansing balm to get it off and everything like that because I was washing my hands all day. It wasn't coming off. So I used some cleansing balm and it came off a little bit. Even after having a shower and stuff, it was still faintly there. So I can't remember if this stuck around in my... I can't remember how well this stuck around in my waterline. But judging by my hand, I think it probably did a good job. Again, I can't remember. I'll pay more attention to it and I'll leave a comment in the comment section just about this in case it's on again, because I would definitely get more colors of this. It's not gooping up in my eyes. It's not moving around on my eyes or anything like that either. So yes, if they have more of these as add-ons or something I can, what's the word? Pick as one of my items in my bag, I might do that with this because I really like this. And then the other item I got, which was, I'm not sure if I'm happy about this. So I've heard a bunch of people rave about the Thrive mascara. It's a tubing mascara. I always have to wear waterproof because I have super watery eyes, but I don't mind a tubing mascara. They seem to work as well. But most of them don't give me much length or volume. They're just kind of very natural looking on the eyes. So I've heard a lot of people talk about the Thrive mascara one, and I looked into it and it was going to cost me around $40 to get it shipped to me in Canada for one tube. I'm like, no, it's not worth it. I'll just stick with my waterproof mascara. But then they had this on for like $12 or $12.50, so I picked it up. And let me tell you, I've only worn it twice. But I love this stuff. I love the length and volume it gives me. It's giving me it now. It's not giving me a ton of volume, but it's giving me enough that I'm not like, I have to wear something else with it. But it's giving me length, and this thing did not budge. It stayed on my lashes. It did not give me raccoon eyes at all. It did not start, what's the word? Breaking down. And when my tears got watery, or when my eyes got watery or anything like that, it just wore beautifully. I always have a problem, and I always think that I always have a problem with my concealer, or so I thought. And I'm like, oh, it's, fading and my dark circles are coming through. But what I think it actually is no matter what mascara I'm wearing, waterproof or not, it's always kind of like smudging underneath and just depositing that little bit every time I blink. And so it's not necessarily the concealer, it's just my mascara. And this didn't do it at all. Like my concealer looked amazing at the end of the day. My mascara looked amazing at the end of the day. So if they have these as add-ons again, I'm going to pick up at least 2 of them because this is good. I'll pay $12.50 for it, American, but I won't pay $40 Canadian for it. So, but I'll get 2 tubes if I can. So hopefully, fingers crossed, they have them on as add-ons again. But then again, this is me and my luck. That probably won't happen. But I'm hoping it will, because this was like the standout of the entire bag. I mean, I liked my April bag, but this, oh wow, so good. Well worth the hype. That's everything that I got in my April bag. Let me know if you get Ipsy and what you got in your bag this month. Was it a good one or was it a dud for you? Have you gotten Ipsy before? I know it's, it's one of those things. People sign up, they cancel. I've done it a bunch of times too. I'm back on the Ipsy train and I am liking it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.